Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is going to be the SKMEI Model 2358 solar powered watch. I got this item off of AliExpress for $5.07. With all my videos, I get nothing for doing these. I just like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in with packaging, like, etc. So you might be wondering, now why would you buy a watch like that? I've got more expensive watches. I'm wearing my Sunto Vertical. It's about a $600 watch. There's something about these cheap SKMEI watches, especially for the price, that you can't beat. Just to get outside, bang around in, do some yard work in, mow the yard. $5.07. I'm going to show you. I bought this watch from them. This was $4. I bought it 15 years ago, and it is still going strong. The band did dry rot after about 10 years, but 15 years, still going. Never had to replace the battery, never had to do anything. So let's take a look at the watch, see what it looks like. Now, I don't know how to use it. Once I figure that out, maybe I'll do some follow-up videos, show you the settings of it, etc. A lot of their watches are kind of knockoffs of Casio G-Shock watches. I try and stay away from those, but I do like buying their unique independent watches, like this solar power one that's not a knockoff. It's just the SKMEI model watch. It does have a plastic film on the crystal. I won't worry about taking that off, but just want to let you know if you get it shipped, it's going to come in with plastic film on both the crystal and on the back, on the case back. Again, this is the model 2358. Alright, so I got the plastic taken off of the lens. Wanted to give you a look at the screen now that there's no plastic on it. Really nice. I like these watches because they're basic. There's not any complications as far as crazy settings. Really just time, date, and alarm is what you're going to be getting on it. Solar panel works great. Again, with my previous model, I know I'm not going to have to worry about replacing a battery. The screen is really easy and legible. Somebody like me who's older, it gets harder to see these watches. You can get the inverted display if you'd rather have the inverted model. I like the white background with the dark font, and the font's nice and large in terms of the size. So you do get an instruction card with it, but that's a quick look at it. I hope the unboxing helped.